I'm thankful I didn't find love here because everyone's playing, bro, and I don't feel like it's real love also. If I had a connection, I would also be safe and I would not be targeted. Oh guys, Garesh was hitting on me for the last 3 days, so please. Guys, एक और बात, me or Ron might be a deserving match because our friendship is so strong.
Hi everyone, this is your insider Simran Bahel और आज बाकी के स्प्लिट्स विलेंस ने डंप किया है अंजलि को.
Hi guys.
Hi Anjali, how are you feeling after getting evicted इतना ज़्यादा आगे आके गेम में?
बहुत बुरा लग रहा है bro. I feel really bad. हाँ, so many reasons.
But what do you think? What went wrong?
Honestly, मुझे नहीं पता. What went wrong? I guess कि I pitched to Golu थोड़ा ज़्यादा the time was ideal match और I made few enemies game में. लेकिन guys, it's a game, right? Or any time कुछ भी हो सकता है. So I knew I have to pitch and I think I did my part. I played my game. लेकिन enemies था आकांक्षा etc. Mostly आकांक्षा.
But I feel like ये एक connection का game है and from the start आपका कोई ऐसा connection नहीं बना. You've said this also कि आपको लगता है गुल्लू भी ideal match है.
Yeah.
Then before Gullu also you told us कि आपको लगता है कि कोई और आपका ideal match है. You felt
Actually, Gullu के पहले I knew that my ideal match was Tain. लेकिन show के starting में Tain did not, put in that effort. And I don't like no effort, so Tain went to Sadaf. So इसलिए I was not able to find a connection क्योंकि my guy went to a different girl. So I've literally been trying to figure out कि okay मेरी दूसरा ideal match कौन है, and it's been really tough honestly.
But क्या लगता है आपको अभी भी कि अगर आप शो में होते तो आपका आइडियल मैच कौन होता?
Oh God, I thought, I don't know now bro, definitely Tain and maybe Gullu. I have no idea.
She's still confused between it.
नहीं, I think there's 2 ideal matches show में. In Pesa Villa, Pyar Villa, I think एक ideal match है from what I can understand.
Okay, वो तो आपको अब बाहर जाके शो देख के ही पता चलेगा.
लेकिन मेरी पहले ideal match is Tain for sure.
Okay, Tain is watching this. But क्या आप पूरा potential दिखा पाए अपना इस journey में अभी?
My potential?
Yeah.
Guys, मैं mischievous हूँ and I've done a lot of plotting, planning and drama, mischief and I think ये मेरी personality है तो मेरी potential नहीं है लेकिन I'm thankful I didn't find love here because everyone's playing, bro, and I don't feel like it's real love also. I'm sorry to say.
So if everyone is playing, किसने आपको main target बनाया जिसकी वजह से you're going home?
Akanksha targeted me a lot because I pointed her out that she's hiding behind Brody's guys, which she is and has been. You've been behind both of them because they're Brody's guys, Akanksha, and you're so scared and alone in this game. Sit over there and do your shit. I don't want to see your face again, Akanksha.
Just because I lost the task, आपने मुझे बोला कि I played bad in front of everyone. That was real classy.
And आज Dome, she said, Anjali, I'm going to finale. And why do you think Yogesh ki wajah se? So it's not her, and she did target me.
Okay. Do you have friends?
हाँ, friends है. Ron, Sadaf, Sundaria, and a few more. Suzanne.
You'll miss them?
So much. और Pesa Villa में मैं बहुत good friends है. Saurabh, Himanshu, and bro, even Tain. Why not?
But I feel like आपके जितने भी दोस्त बने हैं, जब भी आप कहते थे कि ये मेरी दोस्त है, next day या फिर अगले दिन ही आपकी उनसे लड़ाई हो जाती थी.
They did eliminate me end में.
So you'll miss them?
No, I won't really miss the one who eliminated me.
Okay. क्या आपको लगता है कि अगर आपका कोई connection होता या फिर आज आकांक्षा और गौरीश थ्रोन पे नहीं बैठे होते, तो क्या आप safe होते?
Yes, definitely. I think if I had a connection, I would also be safe and I would not be targeted. Oh guys, Garesh was hitting on me for the last 3 days, so please.
Okay, this is new news. लेकिन आपने मुझे ये भी कहा अभी कि यहाँ पे सच्चा प्यार मिलना is impossible. Like everyone is playing.
Yeah.
So who do you think is faking this just for the game?
I don't know, to be honest. मुझे नहीं पता. To be honest, guys, true love है इस game में, लेकिन there's a lot of playing also. मुझे लगता है कि आकांक्षा और Garesh, it is playing क्योंकि she actually kind of loves Yogesh. So I think that is kind of not fake, लेकिन it's not her first priority for sure. Or Anisha Chaksh bhi, Anisha loves Chaksh, लेकिन she's with Golu. So it's a game basically.
कौन सी memories आप लेके जा रहे हो इस show से?
Dome trauma memories is number one.
Every time you were fighting with your friends.
They were not my friends if they're fighting me though. And दूसरा memory is definitely, you know, like reality के बाद we used to play a lot of charades and play pranks villa में, मैं, Himanshu, Saurabh and Suzanne. So that's really fun. I'll miss that.
And also finding your ideal match और making perceptions कि कौन आपका ideal match हो सकता है.
I'm so thankful कि real life में ये concept ideal match does not exist and I can hopefully find just a nice guy.
But what do you think? अगर आपके पास ये option होता, what do you think Ron और आप में से कौन ज़्यादा deserving है इस show के and to stay in the show?
मैं obviously, I'm sorry, लेकिन I will put my friend first and say वो भी deserving है. और guys, एक और बात, me और Ron might be a deserving match क्योंकि our friendship is so strong.
नया ideal match मिल चुका है.
Can we?
पहला Tain था, दूसरा गुल्लू था, तीसरा अब Ron हो चुका है.
I'm guessing, लेकिन probably Tain is the only one.
Oh, any message you would like to give to Tain?
Tain will fight outside the show also.
And any message you would like to give to all the Splits villains?
All the other Splits villains? Guys, we had fun and I don't have any hard feelings, but that's a lie.
Okay. आज आपने और Ron ने एक mischief box भी खुलवाया है.
हाँ.
Which favored Ron?
Yes.
So do you think it was a good idea कि mischief box मैं खुलवा देती हूँ या फिर now you feel like I should have not done that?
मतलब अगर we didn't open the mischief box, both me and Ron would be eliminated. And I think Ron deserving है and he wants to find real love. So I think Ron should stay in the show. Like, I wish I had someone with me to cry right now.
But I feel like every time luck has been there with you. I mean, luck has not been there with you. Because we have seen that was sandwich wala task happened. You won it. But still because of Akansha and Himanshu, आप safe side से unsafe side पे गए. उसके बाद में जब वो eggs वाला task हुआ, again, you won it with Gaurish.
Exactly.
But still, you could not stand on the safe side. Today again, you opened mischief box.
Hello, Splits villains. फिर से हमारी याद आ गई. आज का मिस्चिफ ये है, आज अगर आइडियल मैच बनता है तो डंप हुए कपल में से कोई एक ही घर जाएगा.
हाँ जी.
और वो डिसीजन आइडियल मैच लेगा. लव मिस्चिफ मेकर्स.
But it was not in your favor. तो क्या आपको लगता है कि luck आपके साथ नहीं था? Do you blame luck or it's just because your friends were not there or it was your mistake?
Someone is not in my favor for sure. क्योंकि I played a very, very good game. It's luck for sure.
It's luck for you
Bad
because
luck.
you played good.
I did
according
play
to you.
very good.
That's great. I would like to have Dampender with me now. Anjali, we have Dampender with us. मैंने हमेशा एक चीज देखी है, भले ही आप फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो, गुस्सा पड़े और ऑलवेज स्माइलिंग. पर उस स्माइल के पीछे है तो बहुत सारे इमोशंस.
बहुत सारा.
दिस इज द चांस कि आप वो सारे इमोशंस आज निकाल दो. किस पे सबसे ज्यादा गुस्सा आ रहा है ये बताओ मुझे.
अरे बाप रे, guys, I'm an actor. I don't do all this on camera.
बट किस पे सबसे ज्यादा गुस्सा आ रहा है? बी रियल नो.
Akansha, I guess.
ओके, सो डम्पेंद्र जी अब आकांक्षा बन जाएंगे एंड आप जितना गुस्सा निकालना चाहो, देखो उसमें चोटे वोटे भी लगी हुई हैं बिकॉज उस पर हम भी गुस्सा निकालते हैं.
Guys,
जितना गुस्सा निकालना चाहो आकांक्षा पे आप निकाल सकते हो. थिंक दिस इज आकांक्षा.
So bad, Simran. Okay, I don't do violence to women, okay, guys. I'm a good girl. Lekin, just imagine this is that ideal match thrown, okay? Ready, here we go. बस.
मैं तुम्हें नीचे फेंक के जाना चाहती हूँ.
Yes, bye, Akansha.
Bye, Akansha.
One of my friends will definitely remove you from Splitsvilla. Wait and see.
I hope कि
I also
आपकी जो मिन्नतें हैं वो पूरी हो जाए. But thank you so much, Anjali. I am loving how you're smiling.
Yeah, bro, smiling through the pain any day.
It's okay. All the best for your journey.
Thank
All the
you.
best. आपने बहुत अच्छा किया. We'll miss you. Say bye bye to everyone.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Don't hate me. Love you.
And this was Anjali signing out. Bye.